Ford F-150 exhaust leak sound. What you need to know. If you drive a Ford F-150 and you start to hear a strange noise under the hood or beneath the truck, you might be dealing with an exhaust leak. The sound of an exhaust leak can be confusing at first, but knowing how to recognize it can save you time, money, and even protect your engine. So, what does an exhaust leak actually sound like on a Ford F-150? Most drivers describe it as a ticking, hissing, or tapping noise, especially noticeable when you start the engine cold. As you press the gas pedal, the ticking sound usually gets faster. Some people even mistake it for a problem with the engine valves or lifters, but it's actually the exhaust gases escaping through a small crack, hole, or loose connection. On the Ford F-150, one of the most common causes of exhaust leaks comes from cracked exhaust manifolds, broken manifold bolts, or worn gaskets. Over time, the heat cycles of the engine cause expansion and contraction, which weakens the parts and creates gaps where air escapes. You might notice a louder engine noise, especially when accelerating, a strong exhaust smell inside or outside the cabin, reduced fuel efficiency. In some cases, a check engine light if the oxygen sensors detect irregular readings. Ignoring the problem can be risky. Exhaust leaks don't just make your truck sound rough. They can allow harmful gases like carbon monoxide to enter the cabin. Plus, the extra stress on the engine can reduce performance and lead to costly repairs later. If you suspect an exhaust leak on your F-150, the best first step is to inspect the exhaust manifold area. Look for black soot marks, broken studs, or a burnt gasket. You can also carefully feel around the joints for air escaping, but always be cautious because the exhaust system gets extremely hot. The good news is many F-150 owners have fixed this issue by replacing the broken bolts, installing upgraded gaskets, or swapping in a stronger aftermarket manifold. Some even choose to upgrade the whole exhaust system for better performance and sound. In summary, if your Ford F-150 makes a ticking or hissing noise that gets louder under acceleration, chances are it's an exhaust leak. Don't ignore it, because fixing it not only restores the quiet rumble of your truck, but also keeps your engine running efficiently and your cabin safe from harmful fumes.